know it's gonna be this bad.
Mallory! Mallory! Get your ass up here! I know that she likes to be out in the water and stay out in the water, but we have a major storm coming in. I need her to come back and get dry and be safe. We gotta go. This can get really dangerous, really fast.
It's gonna be a bad one. I can already tell.
Oh my God.
Oh, Orion, so
Oh,
good.
girl, get in here. Hurry, hurry. Time to duck in. It's gonna get wet.
It's insane.
Look at this. Oh my goodness. It is coming down sideways.
Everything's getting wet.
This is insane, dude.
It is absolutely insane. Our shelter's leaking a little bit. Like, it's raining that heavy. I think there's nothing we can do there.
I'm still getting soaked.
Me too.
Yeah, me too. It's bad.
I'm getting poured on.
Yeah, me too. I am drenched. Literally sitting in 2 inches of water.
This sucks. Colombian weather. This sucks.
Oh my God.
Okay, Mother Nature, stop it!